We will rejoin you in a little while, but right now, the show is about to get even bigger.
Nako, Sir Chief, this is it. Sukdulan na ito sa galing at bongga.
Para sa akin, siya talaga yung original The Voice. And she's brought so much honor to our country and to the Filipino people.
Tama, kaya naman she's legendary with a capital L.
And lovely, inside and out.
Mga kapamilya, narito na ang legendary at lovely na si
Miss Lea Salonga!
Magandang gabi po, mga kapamilya. Tulungan po natin ulit si Sir Chief at si Maya. Nakakagaling talaga sila. Ito na naman po. Isang kanta ng papakilig din sa akin. Sana po. Parang that song brought back a lot of memories for many of you. Ano na? Yes, Aga. Brought back many, many beautiful memories. This was the first and only time na naging leading lady ako ng Star Cinema, which is celebrating their 20th anniversary this year. So, since it's the same entertainment corporation, so gusto ko rin silang i-congratulate sa kanilang 20 years ng pagbibigay sa atin ng mga magagandang mga pelikula na nakakakilig at nakakapatibok, papabilis ang tibok ng puso. Anyway, before my next song, I'd like to give a shout out to everybody here who watched, who voted, who supported the Voice of the Philippines, who made it such an incredibly huge hit for ABS-CBN and for TFC. Maraming salamat po. Salamat din po mga kapamilya sa inyong pag-welcome kay Mike, Clarice, Janice at kay Mitoy. This is the first time that the four of them together have performed outside of the Philippines. At maraming salamat sa inyong warm welcome po sa kanila. Proud na proud kaming lahat ng mga coaches, ako, si Coach Bamboo, Coach Sarah, Coach Apple, sa kagalingan nila, sa talagang di pangkaraniwang mga talent nila. Maraming salamat po. And you welcome them and you welcome all of us here to Newark, New Jersey! Maraming salamat po. Thanks for making all of us feel right at home. Speaking of right at home, I feel right at home on this very stage. This one is for all of you.
I walk with him till morning.